Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can fix the TPM problem for Windows 11 on Valorant. What you want to do is head over to peripherals. Over here you're going to have AMD CPU FTPM. It's going to be normally disabled. What you want to do is basically enable it. And then after you've enabled it, you just want to go to basically, you just want to save and exit. That's about it. That's it. Oh, and one more thing. It's probably gonna tell you something about trusted something. I'm not really sure what it is. Trusted. It's gonna basically tell you that your secure boot is disabled. What you want to do is basically enable secure boot, and that's about it. And to enable secure boot, you gotta disable CSM support, and yeah, and then you get secure boot. Just enable it, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.